Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today we continue with chapter 2, power system representation. So the topic outcomes for this chapter first is to calculate the per unit value of any quantity in a three-phase power system. Second is to develop the per unit system to perform the steady state analysis of power systems. And number 3 is to describe the advantages of the per unit system. Okay, we start with single line diagram. So single line diagram represent the interconnection of power system components. So based from its name, the single line diagram actually use single line to represent all three phases of the balance system. So the equivalent circuit of the components can be replaced by their standard symbols, and the completion of the circuit through the neutral is omitted. So actually the single line diagram show the interconnection of the components such as generators, transformers, transmission line, distribution lines, the loads, uh, and etc. and other components to assemble a power system. So these are the symbols used in the single line diagram. For example, this is two winding transformers. This is also the symbol for transformer, generator, bus, transmission line, delta connection, Y connection, static load, current transformers, voltage transformers, capacitor, circuit breaker. This is also the symbol for circuit breaker, fuse, surge arresters, and disconnected switch. To analyze a power system, it is necessary to draw its equivalent circuit, which is also known as the impedance diagram. For example, here is the single line diagram of a simple power system with generator connected to two winding transformers, and there are two load A and load B. Load A is connected to this bus and load B is connected to the other bus, and these two buses are connected with a transmission lines. So based from this single line diagram, we can draw the equivalent circuit, which is the impedance diagram as shown in this figure. So this is actually the impedance of the generator, and this is the impedance of the transformer. So we can see here that the two winding transformer is connected in series with the generator, and this is the impedance of load A, and this is the impedance of the transmission line. But sometimes the capacitance value, the reactance due to capacitance can be neglected if the value is small. And this is the impedance of load B. So we can see that load A and load B is connected in parallel to each other.